Thai cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today, we're heading to Thailand, a country famous for its vibrant street food culture, bold flavors, and aromatic spices. Let's explore some of the most famous and delicious Thai dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1. The Essence of Thai Cuisine. Thai cuisine is all about the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and bitter flavors. Ingredients such as lemongrass, lime, fish sauce, chili, and coconut milk play a vital role in creating the unique taste of Thai food. Another defining aspect of Thai food is its street food culture. Many of the best dishes are found in bustling night markets and roadside stalls, offering an authentic and affordable culinary experience. Now let's dive into some must-try dishes when visiting Thailand. Theme 2. Famous Thai dishes and where to eat them. Pad Thai, a classic stir-fried noodle dish with tamarind sauce, tofu, shrimp, peanuts, and lime. The best Pad Thai can be found at street food stalls in Bangkok's Khao San Road. Tom Yum Goong Spicy Shrimp Soup, a flavorful hot and sour soup made with shrimp, lemongrass, lime leaves, and chili. Try it at seafood restaurants in Bangkok and Chiang Mai. Som Tam Green Papaya Salad, a refreshing and spicy salad made with shredded green papaya, chili, peanuts, and lime. It's a specialty of northeastern Thailand, Isean region. Massaman Curry, a rich, mildly spicy curry with influences from Persian and Indian cuisine. It's best enjoyed in southern Thailand. Khao Pad, Thai fried rice. A simple yet flavorful dish made with jasmine rice, eggs, and vegetables, often served with lime and fish sauce. Found in restaurants and street stalls across Thailand. Moo Ping, grilled pork skewers. Juicy, marinated pork skewers grilled over charcoal and commonly sold as street food in Bangkok's Chatuchak market. Gaeng Keow Wan, green curry, a fragrant coconut-based curry made with green chilies, Thai basil, and tender meat. The best versions can be found in Bangkok and central Thailand. Khao Soi, northern Thai noodle soup, a creamy and spicy coconut-based noodle soup topped with crispy fried noodles. It's a must-try in Chiang Mai. Satay Skewered and grilled meat served with peanut sauce, influenced by Indonesian and Malaysian cuisine. Found at night markets across Thailand. Mango sticky rice, a beloved Thai dessert made with glutinous rice, fresh mango slices, and coconut milk. Best enjoyed during mango season in Bangkok and Phuket. Each of these dishes represents a unique part of Thailand's vibrant food culture, offering a mix of spice, freshness, and indulgence. Theme 3. Travel tips for food lovers. Explore bustling night markets like Chatuchak Market in Bangkok for an unforgettable street food experience. Thai food is known for its spice. If you prefer milder flavors, ask for Mai Phet, not spicy. Enjoy Thai iced tea alongside spicy dishes for a refreshing contrast. Visit floating markets for fresh seafood and traditional Thai delicacies. Many Thai dishes are served with condiments like fish sauce, chili flakes, and lime. Adjust the flavors to your liking. Let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit Thailand, don't miss the chance to try these amazing dishes. They tell a story of culture, flavor, and history. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore Turkey's rich and diverse cuisine, including the famous kebabs and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.